So friends, if you don't know the process of doing KYC in Amazon Pay, then this is the right video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now the very first thing you have to do is just simply open Amazon application in your mobile phone. And once you open Amazon application, you will be on the home page. Just tap on this menu option over here and then select Amazon Pay. After that, go to Amazon Pay home, and once you are on this particular page, then select account option. Now in accounts, you have to go down and select KYC option over here. Now once you select KYC, if your KYC is complete, you will see the message over here. But if in case you see the same interface like this, then you have to complete your KYC. Now you need to add your PAN card details over here, and also you need to verify using Aadhaar details. So select complete KYC option and go to the next page. Now on the next page, few things are given, but just simply select continue with KYC and go ahead. Now on the next page, it will ask you to enter PAN details, enter the name which is mentioned on your PAN card, enter your date of birth. Don't forget to check this box, and once everything is done, simply tap on initiate video KYC and go ahead. Now you can see I have entered the details. Let's tap on initiate video KYC option. Now it will ask you for some permission like camera, microphone. So you have to give the permission in order to do the video call or video KYC properly. Now it will directly take you to this particular page where it says verify Aadhaar. So you can verify Aadhaar using DigiLocker. Tap on that option and go ahead. Enter your Aadhaar number over here. Also enter the CAPTCHA and then select next option. Again, I have entered the details. Let's tap on next option. Now you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Make sure that the number which is linked with Aadhaar is with you. Enter the OTP and go ahead. I have entered the OTP. Let's tap on continue. Now it is asking to enter 6-digit DigiLocker security pin. So you have to enter the pin over here and go ahead. Now if in case you don't remember your pin, you have an option of forgot security pin. You can reset the pin using this particular option. Now I have entered the pin. Again, let's tap on continue option. Now over here, you have to provide consent in order to share the following with Amazon Pay. So select the Aadhaar option over here. Go ahead and select allow. Now you can see Aadhaar card successfully verified from DigiLocker. Tap on next option and go ahead. Now it will ask you for your occupation. If you are salaried, you can select that option, or else you can choose whichever option you want. So I'm selecting the option over here. You can also select the annual gross income and again tap on next option. Now over here it will ask you to capture your PAN card. So tap on capture over here and take a picture of your PAN card. So I have taken the picture. Let's tap on continue option. Now on the next page, it will ask you that are you ready for the video call? Make sure you have the original PAN card with you and the surrounding is properly lit, right? And also you should be 18 years and older. So check this box and select I am ready. Now on the next page, it will ask you to select your preferred language. If you want to continue in English, you can select that, or else you can select the drop down and you can change it to Hindi as well. Now simply tap on start video KYC, and once the video KYC is done, I'll guide you with the next step. So now you can see the verification, the video verification is basically complete, and the update will be done in next 6 hours. So yes, this was the final step. Now you can simply go back to Amazon application. So as you can see, video verification is successful, and it is saying that it will be updated in next 6 hours. So again, you can tap on manage Amazon Pay and you can go to the main Amazon Pay page. So yeah, this is how simple it is to do KYC in Amazon application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.